Welcome to Melody's Treasure Box. Welcome back, Treasure Box fans. Today we have new LOL dolls to open. Yay!
That's right, guys. We have the new Series 2 LOL Boys. And check out this cool box. Ooh, it says get your swag on. Let's sing. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Surf's up, bro, and game on. We've also got the new LOL Surprise #Hairvibes dolls to open.
Yay!
It says there's mix and match hair. And there's 15 surprises inside. This is so cool. And they have real hair just like the hair goals.
They do? I love real hair.
Melody, here's one for you. And I'll open one too. Look how cute he is. I wonder whose brother that is. And there's 7 surprises inside. And there's a little basketball pool.
1, 2, 3, go!
My clue is school spirit. And Melody's clue is sports fan.
Let's do it! Ooh, look! Some stickers. Mine's orange! It's orange like a basketball.
Ooh, there's our little basketball player. And he says game on.
Come on, Mommy. You can pass up with me.
Oh, I got an orange one too.
Me too.
And this layer says get your swag on.
Let's get our blind bags out.
Let's sing.
My first blind bag. Oh, I got a little bottle. It says 05.
Here's my first 3 blind bags. Ooh, I got a little cheer outfit. A matching pink and purple bottle. And some white sneakers.
Okay. Wow! Look who I got! Yay! Hi!
Captain Quarterback has blue eyes, blonde hair, and a little jersey that says number 5. Oh, how cute! It's a little football helmet. And we got a matching bottle that says number 5. Here's Melody's football uniform and some red and black shoes.
I'm gonna get him dressed, Mommy.
All right, let's see who my doll is. Ooh, that's cool. They're different colored blind bags. I got these shades. Let's see who my boy is. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that curly brown hair. It's shaved on the sides. And here's the new Series 2 checklist with 8 new cuties to collect. There's the Glitterati Piano King, who's ultra rare. Captain QB, who Melody got from the athletic club. Dribbles, he's so cute. Beach Boy, Bro Cheer, oh, that's the one I got. And there's Mod Boy from the Retro Club, Neon Guy, and Swaggy. Awesome. Here's Captain QB and Bro Cheer.
Rah, rah, rah.
Now let's see our quarterback with his helmet on. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? I love it.
I'm ready to score a touchdown. You can do it. Rah, rah, rah. Let's go.
All right, next let's open some LOL Hairvibes.
Yay!
It says there's mix and match hair. Look at her, she's so cute with her pigtails and glasses. I hope we find her. And there's 15 surprises inside. Wow, there's a lot of hair.
Yay!
And they have real hair just like the Hair Goals dolls.
I have messy hair, but I don't care.
Okay, let's see. Cool, look at them. So many different hairstyles.
Ooh.
And I got a light pink ball. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I think Melody got a gold one.
All right, Melody.
Keep opening, keep opening.
Okay. I'm getting the gold one. Oh yeah. I'm getting the gold one. Oh yeah.
You can pick 'em, Melody.
My clue says twinning is winning. And Melody's clue is selfie time. Oh my goodness, it's gold. Melody's first Hairvibes doll. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Whoa, check out how big this is. And there's a little doll stand there too. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Check check this out, guys. There's so many blind bags and 2 capsules inside, plus a little zipper handle and our checklist. Oh, look, there they are. It says, bet you can't find me, unbox me, and change my hairstyle. LOL surprise, hashtag Hairvibes. Oh my gosh, look at all their wild hair. Ooh, there's a Glitterati Disco Queen and Supreme Queen. Opposites Club Jelly Gem and Peanut Butter. Glee Club Superstar. Glam Club Darling and Masquerade. Ooh, I think that's my favorite. Retro Club Defresh and Rhymes. Ooh, there's another boy. And Athletic Club Glow Girl Black Belt. Wow. And Swim Club Scuba Babe. And that's the ultra rare. I think Melody got her.
I think so. Hiya! Whoa! So much stuff! Whoa, sparkle shoes!
Oh my goodness! Alright, let's start with this blind bag. Oh my goodness, there's a little do-rag with blue polka dots on it. Here's a pop bottle. White shoes with pom-poms and a little brush. 2 more. Ooh, check out that pink fanny pack and blue heart sunglasses. 2 more pink ones. Okay, this is a braided hairstyle. Interesting. Look inside. Oh, and here's our adorable outfit. Look, she has a see-through jacket and polka dot tank top and skirt. How adorable. Do you guys know who we got, Treasure Box friends? All right, let's meet our doll. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness, it's so weird just to see bangs on her.
Let's take off her hair.
Braids. She's got cute purple eyes and a little blue swimsuit on. Okay, let's change out her hairstyle. We've got these 2 little capsules. Whoa!
Let me see.
Check it out. It's so curly and cute. Look at this curly purple hair. And it's really soft and bouncy. Next hairstyle. Ooh. We've got 2 pigtails and look, they're 2-toned too.
That's wild!
Look at everything we got! Now let's check out some hairstyles. Ooh, look, we got Jelly Jam from the Opposites Club. She is so cute. I really hope we find peanut butter too, right, Melody?
Yeah!
That's the one on the ball.
Here is red over here. Check!
And here she is all dressed. Look how cute she is. With her matching do-rag on top. Now let's try out our first hairstyle. You can slip these out. And there's Velcro underneath. Isn't that weird, Melody?
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like a brain?
Yeah.
Let's try this one first. Top, this side, and this part on the bottom.
Let me see.
She looks so cute.
Can I see?
Look at her. And you can brush her wild hair. This freaks me out just a little bit.
Yeah, freaking me out.
Now time for the pigtails.
That's the one in the picture. It's Jelly Jam.
Yep. What do you guys think, Treasure Box friends? Which hairstyle looks the best? I think this one is my favorite because it's so wild and crazy.
Yeah.
Let's see who Melody got.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Whoa. Whoa, that is some major glitter hair. Ooh, I love a hot pink. We got a comb and bottle.
Okay, let's open this one next.
Wow! You're going straight for the doll.
Aw, she's so cute.
Ooh, this isn't Scuba Babe. This is someone different. Look at the glittery threads in her bangs. Some glitter-proof earrings. And a silver bodysuit.
Mommy, which one did I get?
Oh, I think we got Supreme Queen from the Glitterati, who's rare.
Okay, let's open this one. Lashes!
Ooh, check out that pretty necklace and glittery shades.
Look at her crazy hair here.
Oh, that's actually a do-rag.
Okay, let's put on the do-rag. Ooh, she looks cool. Okay, let's let's open this one now. Full of hair, wow.
So glittery.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's really interesting. I wonder how that's gonna turn out.
Oh, it's a dress. I love it.
Oh my goodness, look, this is so gorgeous. It looks like a 60s inspired dress. It has glitter all over, and down here it's all flocked and soft.
Whoa, look at all that hair.
Oh, it's so curly.
Yeah.
It looks a lot like Jelly Jam's, but a bigger curl.
Pinkie Pie called. She wants her hair back.
All right, here she is with her first hairstyle. Isn't she cute? It looks like she has a little beehive on top.
Yeah.
I love it. And here she is with her second do. Oh, look at how wild it is. It's like a big fur ball.
Yeah.
Take a look at this beautiful gold ball, and we can set her on top. Here she is with her sunglasses and glitter braids. And I'm gonna mix and match her final hairstyle. And I love the glitter streaks in this hair. That is so cool. There she is. What do you think, Melody?
It looks cute.
I know.
The instructions say you have to put the bow in.
There she
Can
is.
I see? Ooh, I love Supreme Queen. She is awesome. Yeah.
So it turns out that all of these Hairvibes dolls are color changers. So let's test out Supreme Queen and Jelly Jam. And Brooch here too. And Cupcake is a spitter.
And look at her hair.
Hey, that's so wild. It doesn't even match. Who do you think looks cooler, guys? Jelly Jam or Supreme Queen?
I think mine.
I think Jelly Jam.
What?
Hashtag Hairvibes. We're ready to go swimming.
Yeah.
Okay, first let's check out Jelly Jam's color change. Look at the zigzags on her swimsuit, and she gets little black socks too. Ah! Hot water. Back to normal. Now let's see Supreme Queen. Ooh. Look at that wild leopard print suit, and it turns pink and black. Cool. Back to normal in the hot water. Now let's check out Brooch here. Nothing in the cold. Whoa! Melody, his hair turned blonde.
Wow.
Whoa!
I wish I color changed. Which one's your favorite Crystal Box friends? My favorite is Supreme Queen. Check back tomorrow to meet more boys and Hairvibes. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye!
Oh, how cute. The ball looks like a basketball.
Look who I got. Yay!
Wow, they look so cool. I love their wild hair.